Buying a home is the biggest purchase you will ever make. What do buyer's agents really do? Do you think you could go it alone and purchase a house without one? And today we're going to be going over the top 9 reasons why it is imperative you use a buyer's agent when purchasing a home. The first reason is the buyer's agent can help you get pre-approved. They have contacts to multiple lenders and can guide you through the pre-approval process. The second reason is they can help you narrow down the list of homes in your house hunting and keep you focused on your goals and what's most important to you guys. The third reason you need a buyer's agent is that they can uncover pocket listing, whisper listings, and coming soon listings so you can get in and preview a home before everybody else. Fourth reason, buyer's agents can monitor the market trends and do a market analysis for you when you're ready to pull the trigger and make an offer. One of the most important reasons why you need a buyer's agent is the fifth reason, to negotiate the offer for you. Buyer's agents are expert negotiators. They not only negotiate price, they negotiate terms, closing date, inspection issues, and it's super important to have someone on your side. Number 6, buyer's agents have an incredible database full of professionals such as inspectors and contractors, electricians and plumbers that you might need in your home buying process. The 7th reason is buyer's agents mediate home inspection issues on your behalf. Number 8, buying a home is the biggest purchase you will ever make. Don't go it alone. You need someone on your side that's representing you. The 9th reason, here in the state of Illinois, buyers don't pay the buyer's agents. It's free for you to get all that advice, number 1 through 8, in making the biggest purchase of your home, so don't go it alone. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.